JSR DevOps, my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to enable Manager app in the Tomcat. So for that, before going to enable the Tomcat Manager app, I will change some configurations in the Tomcat directory. So I'll stop the Tomcat. So before change the configuration, shutdown.sh. So once the Tomcat is stopped, how to check /shutdown.sh. So Tomcat stopped successfully. Now if you go and check cd in the config directory, we have to give the credentials. So in the Tomcat directory, in the config directory, it has tomcat-user.xml. Here we have to give some content. So here we have different roles are enabled in the manager app. These roles are we can assign, and also it will ask username and password. So I will copy this text and paste inside of I'll paste here. So between comment. So I will provide the details like this Tomcat. So you can choose any name, username and password. So I will assign these roles here. Then save and come out. So once if you come out the directory and try to start the Tomcat, start.sh. So this configuration is not enough. So if you click on manager app, it won't work. Then what we will do? So every war file we have put into the web apps. We have another directory. We have to change some configurations. cd web apps. cd web apps. So here we have manager, host manager and manager. So I will go to the manager directory. Then if you select in and check the files and directory, meta. So here on meta directory we have, in the meta directory, so we have context.xml. So in the context.xml, if you go in the context.xml, so we have to disable this value class name. So it will access local IP. So for that reason, I will disable this context like exclamatory, and also I will enable disable like this. So once it's disabled, it's look like this. Then I will save and come out. Now go to Tomcat directory, cd tomcat cd bin directory /start shutdown. Previously we have start the Tomcat. Now we have to check. So Tomcat is stopped successfully. Now we can try to start the Tomcat. Stop the Tomcat by shutdown.sh and start Tomcat startup.sh. So once Tomcat successfully run, then you can refresh it and click manager app. So it will if it is first time, it will ask username and password. So you can give the username and password what you have mentioned in the username and password. So the Tomcat Manager is enabled. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please in comment. Thank you.